This is our chef's table experience that I'm going to share with you, but I'm only showing a little snippet of the magic show that was included. If you want to go check out that full magic show, check out that video. So we just checked in at our meeting spot for the chef's table, and they had us fill out this questionnaire. They want to make sure everyone is in good health, because you're going to be in an intimate setting and you're also going to be right by the chef, so they want to make sure you're well. So when it was time to head to the chef's table, we played follow the leader, and all of a sudden they opened up this secret little door passage, and there they led us into the kitchen. Everyone back there was so happy to see people, and to no surprise, they were back there working just as hard as ever. Before we stepped into the dining room, they showed us how to make the famous molten cake.
On your menu card, the first one is a duck cigar. The whole mushroom, you dry it in the oven for 72 hours till it's fully dehydrated.
But on the ship?
No, not on the ship.
Five of diamonds. Okay, push it, I push it. Do you know how to shuffle the card? Yes or no? You don't need to. Hold it for me. Go one by one on the table, find the card.
What am I finding?
Find the card, 5 of diamonds with the silky right there, with the name as one pile. I'm very busy. Look at the camera, smile.
Cute.
Yeah, keep going. Where are you from? Florida, Texas? I can see that. You're doing great. Oh my God. Jessica, you're funny. Oh my God. Okay.
Oh my Lord.
Oh, he's writing on your bill.
No. It's okay, just go with it.
Okay.
Someone called me. That's not magic. Take 2-digit number you want. So any 2 digits.
2 digits.
Yes, sir. Anything you want. Just type it. Right, so can you type 2 digits? 2 digit, please. Sandri, type 2 digit, please. Type 2 digit number. Okay. Can you type 2 digit, please? That's a good one. Can you read the number one by one? Read it one by one. Yeah.
402815555.
Thank you. Okay, you're not impressed. Okay, what's this number? Can you see something special with this number? Maybe not, but watch. But during the show, you give me a $20 bill, right? You put an initial on it, right? Take out the $20 bill, please. Yeah, take it out. And, yes, and read the serial number of the dollar bill, please. Shh. Read it.
What the? 402815555.
Thank you. Thank you. You have a great evening.
He hired y'all. And this concluded our chef's table. If you have not done this before, I highly recommend it. It was completely worth it. The entertainment with the magic show, all of the presentations with the food, and the food was delicious. I highly recommend. Hope that this has been some valuable information for anyone going on a cruise or has been on a cruise and is always looking to learn something new. And be sure to check out some of my other videos so that it can maybe help you with your cruise planning for other tips. And I'd love to gain you as a new subscriber to the channel. So come along with us as we share glimpses into our life's journey with you to help with ideas to plan your next adventure. If you found any of my videos or helpful tips useful, please do me a favor and like, share, and subscribe to the channel.